Okay, as we speak, we're going to get a drink. See? Money in the hand. This is what this store looks like. We gotta make sure door is cool.
Door's cool.
Door's cool. Aye. Then access. Oh fuck. Shh. I think somebody's coming. Open the door. Access. Checking for. There's a douchebag. As you can see, this guy down here is gay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Y'all remember what we did earlier? We left the door open. Watch. Don't tell him. This is funny shit. He doesn't know. He doesn't know this. Hey, you know there's a camera down here. We gotta go. But he doesn't know. He doesn't realize.